Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日はきのこたっぷりの鮭の炊き込みご飯を作ります。素材の色を損なわない白だしを使います。
First, let's pan fry the lightly salted salmon. Heat a frying pan and lightly sear both sides of the salmon. If you are using a fresh, unsalted salmon, remove the skin and bones, lightly marinate it in Shiro-dashi, a light-colored seasoning, and then pan fry it. Shiro-dashi may be unfamiliar to many people, so let me explain. It's made by adding pale amber-colored soy sauce to dashi stock, and it differs from light-colored usukuchi soy sauce. Its light color won't interfere with the ingredient's color, and with dashi in it, it easily gives an elegant Japanese flavor. When the surface is deliciously browned, place it onto a tray. Cool it with a fan. If salmon is not available, try using a fish that doesn't have a strong fishy smell. Once it's cool enough to touch, peel off the skin. Then thoroughly remove the bones. Check with your fingertips to make sure that no small bones remain. Now, all the bones should be completely removed. Oops, there are still some bones left. Now, let's cook the salmon Takikomi Gohan. Place the rinsed rice into the rice cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of Shiro-dashi, a light-colored dashi seasoning. The amount of Shiro-dashi to use for Takikomi Gohan may vary by product, so follow the instructions on the package. Add water, but use slightly less than the specified measurement for the rice. Using less water helps prevent the rice from becoming too soft, since the mushrooms contain water. First, evenly distribute the plain Shimeji mushrooms. Using light-colored mushrooms will make the dish look more visually appealing. Next, sprinkle the corn. Finally, add the pan-fried salmon on top. Do not mix the ingredients into the rice, otherwise the rice will not cook evenly. Cook the rice with the Takikomi mode if available. The Takikomi mode will cook the rice for a slightly longer time, which will help develop a crispy rice crust. If your rice cooker doesn't have such a mode, the regular cooking mode will work. Now it is ready. Open the lid. It smells good. Lightly mix it without crushing the rice grains. For Takikomi Gohan, slightly firm rice with a bit of a crispy rice crust is more delicious than soft rice. Serve the Takikomi Gohan into a rice bowl. Sprinkle the toasted white sesame seeds generously after squeezing them. Distribute finely chopped spring onions. Finally, place a slice of butter and enjoy the Takikomi Gohan with the delicious autumn flavors. If you can't find Shiro-dashi, you can substitute it with a mixture of strong kombu and bonito dashi, light-colored usukuchi soy sauce, and salt.
だしのしっかり効いた上品な味に仕上がっています。バターもよく合います。
Using 2 or 3 types of mushrooms will make the dish even more delicious. Good luck in the kitchen!
甘酒横丁入ってすぐのところにある老舗の洋食屋さんです。楽しみです。 人形町にあるこちらのお店は芸者さんや明治座の俳優、歌舞伎役者が足しげく通っていたお店だそうです。創業当時から楽屋弁当として提供されていた人気のお弁当があるそうですよ。こちらの宝味亭伝統一品メニューの中から洋食弁当をいただきます。お重の中には人気のメニューが一口サイズでぎっしり詰めてあります。なんとも豪華なお弁当です。こちらはミニハンバーグとビーフシチューです。ビーフシチューはほろっと崩れるほど柔らかく、デミグラスソースも絶品です。そしてカニクリームコロッケ、エビフライ、白身魚のフライが並びます。上品に味付けされたローストポークが間に挟んであって、フライのサクサク感が失われないように工夫されています。ポテトサラダと付け合わせの野菜もきれいに詰めてあります。カニクリームコロッケは揚げたて熱々で、タルタルソースと一緒に食べるとこれまた絶品でした。食後にコーヒー注文したら、オレンジピールとピーカンナッツのチョコレートがけがついていました。いろんなメニューが一度に楽しめる嬉しいランチでした。どれもとっても美味しかったです。今度は単品でいただきたいと思います。美味しかったです。ではまた。
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please consider supporting our channel through YouTube Super Thanks. Your subscriptions and likes are greatly appreciated. Take care everyone. See you.